She's doing it on purpose.
Bebe, send mo na sa akin. Oh, later.
Alam mo, nung nagpunta kami ni Dayan, nag-bar kami ni Dayan. Girl, nasa ano lang kami, kasama namin si Rohan. Nasa ano lang kami sa table. Nahihiya kasi akong tumayo. Kasi yung table namin, dance floor na ang doon.
Malapit kayo
Malapit sa dance floor.
Sa stage.
Sa stage. Kami si Dayan nakatayo na. Tapos ako, nasa upuan lang ako sumasayaw. Alam mo, girl, yung mga lalaki nasa likod ko.
Sasayaw.
Tapos yung gumagano yung lalaki. Let's go. Let's go to the floor. Let's go to the floor. No, I don't dance there. No, I don't dance there. Tapos yung isa na naman, gagano na naman. Let's go to the dance floor. Let's go to... No.
Pwede din kami mag-disco.
Pero si Rohan, ang mata ni Rohan nakagano na.
If it's Ramadan coming, done, I mean, if Ramadan is done, after Ramadan,
When I was in the Philippines, I was in like like there's like we call it disco in the Philippines.
Okay.
Like if there's a like festival, there's a disco. And then
you will do
I dance like I would dance in the center. And then like I'm so confident with my
But
dance.
don't tell
I'm so
your mom
confident.
what I did for you.
I am so wild with that with dancing. But when a guy will come up to me, I'm like, I will take my friend. And then my friend would laugh at me. You're very scary with me with male people. But you're so confident when you're dancing.
No.
Yeah.
Yan, dito maganda mag-video, be. Yung nakukuha mo yung ano, yung
It's okay.
Hindi dyan sa gilid.
Dito sa center. Sa gilid ko. Sa center.
Sa center.
Girl, sa center ka.
Ako lang nakakita, be. Huwag ka magalit.
red light camera ahead.
Alam mo naman tayo magkapaya.
Sa center ka, girl. Mag-video, girl. Maganda.
Okay. Go, carry ganyan,
Wait,
ganyan.
kasi mag-ano siya. Wala na, magta-turn na siya.
Mag-start ka sa zero, be.
It's okay. Edit ko na lang yan. I know how to edit this.
Thank you, brother.
For?
My friendie, thank you.
Sure.
Bawi tayo sa sunod, Char.
True.
Tayong dalawa lang babawian.